air conditioners at the heat pump heaven. This is part 4. And there's this really old vintage Lennox that's running. Here it is. It says Lennox on it. And first I thought that this was a white Goodman. It's actually like a GMC. I haven't finally got to film. Well, actually I think this is a Goodman, but it's some other brand. It's running and it's actually very quiet. Didn't know that this was a Lennox. See on it. And you can get a better view of these heat pumps. The Lennox and the GMC or Goodman, whatever. Now that one over there is a Goodman. And there's some more heat pumps over there. I don't know what this is. It's a thermal zone. I've never heard of that brand before. It looks more like a Rheem. Thermal zone. Heat pump. This is a sound. The only problem is that it's really bright and it's very sunny. This 2000 is running. There's I think PL. Never heard of that brand either. And this unit is actually very old. Running. Now this one is a Goodman. And here is a Goodman. It's a white Goodman. It looks very noisy, but I know it's not going to turn on and scare me. Yes, it's a Goodman. Now this is a Goodman heat pump. That noise that you hear is that HL right there that's running. So there's a HL and a Goodman. And there's a wall unit up there. I don't know which brand it is. It's probably either Feathers or Friedrich. And it's actually a Kenmore one. Now I can see the brand. It's a Kenmore wall unit. Another carrier running. But it has an obnoxious ticking sound. Maybe it's the plug that's the problem. There are the units back there. I think this is another carrier. Here's another carrier over here that is running. It's sort of noisy. There are the units back there. You can see them better like this. I don't know where that Goodman was. There's another Goodman somewhere over here. I think the noisy carrier was at that building. I believe I've already filmed these. Actually, I haven't. Nope, not yet. And here's a train. I think XR13. Carrier Infinity series. It looks kind of weird from one view. It is a very quiet one, but this logo looks kind of retro. It has very cool air and it's cooling me down. It's very nice. And this is the sound of a train and a carrier running together. I believe the sound that I heard, that's the same sound that I heard in the first video I was filming. It's probably from this thing right here. Here is a York LX series. And I think that noise actually comes from the York. The York is running, and there's a Rheem Classic series right here. Compressor in there. Where I was walking. That's where I filmed the part 2, I think. Yeah, part 2. the York Carrier Finity series, and I don't know what that is. And the train. And here are the heat pumps right there. Now, I'm sorry to disappoint you about the sun. And there's a white Goodman there, and it's actually running, but it's not a noisy one. There it is over there. You can see it better. I think, and this turns out to be a barber shop. But yeah, this is a Goodman and it's running. It's not at all. But I don't know why this club is there. Maybe it was noisy got more fun. It's actually making sort of a buzzing sound. And there's a train right back there. It's kind of noisy through this fence though. These are the air conditioners at the barber shop near the doctor's office. This is an XR13. Now, it's very quiet. The Goodman is making most of the noise though. And somehow, this panel right here belongs to this unit. They might have been made under construction, because here are the guts and wires and stuff. And I'm not gonna touch them, so I might get electrocuted. And here's the side panel of the train that goes right there. That buzzing sound is coming from the Goodman. Enjoy the video out.